Okay, hello everyone. Well, welcome to this course. This is the first semester of the course, FINA3018, the Practicum. Today I'll be showing you how to seek permission in order to be admitted to the group FINA3018 Semester 1 2016-17 on the ePortfolio platform in order to be able to do your portfolio submission. So this semester, the first semester, you'll be required to do 5 ePortfolio submissions. All right. So let's start now. We're assuming, okay, you'll get to your course. You're in the Practicum course. The very first thing you need to do is to look to the top of your screen, where the top left-hand corner of your screen, you'll see ePortfolio. You click on the ePortfolio. This will take you to your ePortfolio platform. Once you're on the ePortfolio platform, you want to click here on Groups. Once you click on Groups, then you want to click on Find Groups. The reason why you're clicking on Find Groups is because under My Groups, unless you're already signed into a group, you won't see the group listed here. All right? So the group is listed here because I'm an administrator. But in your case, you won't see the group listed under your groups. So you need to click and go to Find Groups, click on it, and you need to make a further selection in order to be able to ensure that you find the group. So here you click here next to search, you click on all groups. It's important you click on all groups because there are other options like groups I can join. If you click on groups I can join, you may see, you may or may not see the group we're looking at. Groups I'm not in, you may or may not see groups I'm in. But if you click all groups, you would see all of these. Groups you can join, groups you're in, as well as groups you're not in. All right, so you click on all groups, and then you click on search. After clicking on search, all of the groups in the ePortfolio platform will appear. And what you need to do is to scroll down until you find the group that you're looking for. For this semester, in this example here, we're looking for FINA3018 Semester 1 in the academic year 2016-2017. It's important for you to choose the correct semester and the correct year. All right? So if we look, if you scroll, you look to the bottom here, look at where my cursor is pointing. You see we're on page 1 and we haven't found the page as yet. So you click on 2, which will take you to page 2 of the listing of groups. We scroll down. Go to the right of your screen in order to scroll down. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, of page 2. We see here a FINA30, yes, at the bottom we see a FINA3018 Semester 1, but it's for the incorrect academic year because it's saying the academic year 2014-2015. All right, so we do another, we go on to page 3. And when we go on to page 3, yes, here it is. All right, you see FINA3018 for Semester 1, the academic year 2016-2017. So you'll click on that. That's your first step. You click on that. You click on the group, and then you will request permission. All right. You will have to check back into the ePortfolio platform later on, because then I will need to look to see those who have asked for permissions, and I normally do that every day. All right. So you will check back, and you would see that you're in the group, all right, once I've given you permission, all right? So we're assuming now that I have given you permission, and you're checking back later to come out of the ePortfolio you just scroll to the bottom of the screen, and under links and resources, you go to the Learning Exchange. You repeat the same process again. So once you're on the Learning Exchange, you go to the top left-hand corner of your screen. You click on ePortfolio. You click on Groups. You click on Find Groups. Then remember, it's important here, next to the search button, to the left of the search button, you click on All Groups to make sure that this group is included. You click on Search, because if you don't click on Search, it will not renew the search and bring up all of the groups. So you click on Search. And then you proceed to find, you scroll to the bottom and proceed of the page. You scroll to the bottom of the page and proceed to find the exact group you're looking for. In our case, remember, we're looking for FINA3018 Semester 1. The academic year is 2016-2017. Well, I'm just going to go from memory. We said that it was on page 3. We found that page. We found that group. Yes, it is here. I want you to see again. It is on page 3 that we found that. Now, the pages may differ, all right, because if persons add groups in different semesters, the page may move up or move down if persons delete pages, all right? So I want you to know that it will not always be on page 3, but I'm just guiding you through the process. So you click on FINA3018, and if you have been granted permission, then you would see your name and a photo of you under the members section. All right. So what I want to do is, because nobody has applied, so it's only administrators here you'll see for this semester, I want to take you to a previous year, the previous year, for you to see exactly what it will look like. All right, so we're in Find Groups. We're going back to Find Groups. We go to All Groups. It's taking a little while to come up. We click on Search. We go to page 3. We said that's about where we found this. I'll bring you to the previous semester, the previous year, the previous academic year, for you to see how it should look. So this is just an example, remember. We're going to semester 1, same semester 1, but of the previous academic year. So instead we're looking at the academic year 2015-2016. And if you look under the members section, you would see, I want to point you first to the members section, you would see all the members of the group. So we do all the members of the group, and you'll see all, administrators, myself and Louis, and you'll see all the students for the academic year. All right, but once you go, all right, so you've gotten permission now. So I'm just giving you an example. You've gotten permission, and you now need to post to your reflection. All right, so you'll come to the week where you need to post your submission. Well, what you'll do is, once you've into the group, you'll now go to click on Forums. Then you'll click on the forum here. You'll see here is ePortfolio submissions for semester 1, and I want you to click on that. And then there, under this forum, the FINA3018 semester forum, you'll see each of the topics, each of the 5 topics recorded there. Now, I want to stress to persons the importance of posting on time, because if you post on time, you will see it will be locked out. This is why you'll see the padlock here. So you will be locked out of the forum. So you will go to the topic. So let's say it's week 4. We'll go to topic 4. You will see my initial post here showing you the what the subject for the topic is for that week. Topic 4, what the topic is for that week and what you're required to do. And then in order to make your submissions, you would need to click on the reply button. And if you click on the reply button, you make your post. In this case, let's see, Minion would have done the same thing. She would have replied, click reply. Let's see what will happen if you click reply. You'll be taken to a screen like this where you post your message here. All right. But we don't want to, I don't want to post here, but so I'll just opt out. So you post your message, type your message here and you post. What I recommend to students to do is to write your post in Word and then post to the Learning Exchange so that it's nicely formatted, etc. And then you will respond to 2 of your pairs posts. So you post and then you scroll through your pairs postings and then you click on the reply button below their post and reply. All right. Remember, I just want to, at this point, I want to remind persons of 2 things. To make sure to review the assessment rubric for ePortfolio submissions before writing and submitting your ePortfolio reflections, because that is how you'll be graded. And secondly, I want to remind everybody that simultaneously you need to, as soon as you submit your ePortfolio submission on the ePlatform, you need to go to the course page and post your e-submission there also in the Dropbox that has been provided for you. So it must be done simultaneously, all right? So I don't want persons telling me that they did one and didn't do the other, all right? Because they need to be posted simultaneously for you to receive a grade. All right, so that's it, everyone. A simple and very easy process for how to gain access to the ePortfolio group in order to make your submissions for the semester.